Morocco has been hit by its biggest earthquake in over 120 years, after a 6.8 magnitude quake hit just 45 miles to the south of Marrakesh. Footage shared on social media showed a massive cloud of dust rising in Marrakesh, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and hugely popular tourist town, as buildings collapsed and people fled for their lives. Moroccan state TV reported the death toll had risen from an initial 300 to 632 by early Saturday. The epicenter was 40 miles south of the popular tourist city. Follow dailymail.com for more updates.
You go, airport is that way. And my Ronaldo, he's crying in his car. Ronaldo.
I want to ask, where is Ronaldo? Where is Cristiano? Where is Cristiano? Where is Ronaldo? Where is Ronaldo?
Cristiano Ronaldo is the GOAT again, after he generously opened his hotel to provide refuge for those impacted by the recent earthquake in Morocco, as the 6.8 magnitude earthquake that hit Morocco and left over 2,000 people dead. This is what celebrities are supposed to do to help people during disasters. Not just to pledge to donate and pledge to help, but actually help and open your hotels and mansions. With many people that had to stay on the streets, they got the news that they have opened the hotel for them to take refuge in and get rooms for free. These people have lost their loved ones, their pets, their homes, but Ronaldo took actions. The Pistana Marrakech is graded at 4 stars, just below luxury, and includes an outdoor pool, fitness center, restaurant, and terrace. But as Moroccans come together to attempt to find recover, the hotel has set aside its upmarket qualities. Our heart-warm prayers goes out to the people of Morocco. Please pray for Morocco and all the people that are going through one of the toughest natural disasters in their history. And thank you, Ronaldo, for opening your hotel to the earthquake victims almost immediately for them to take refuge.